This is to get people to click into the website.
Start.
Hello. This is very. Why did you start over there?
Was it a video? We're doing a video now.
This is a
Okay.
video.
Okay, we had a great experience with Jespa and Karanjeet. I think it was a really good deal with the bikes and great service. And that's about it, I think.
Yeah, we shopped around. We shopped around in a few other places, and they seemed to have good bikes as well. But we found that this was the cheapest one, and so far so good. We got some nice bikes. It looks like it.
Royal
And,
Enfield bikes you took me?
We're
Which
taking
bike you took?
Three bikes, two bullets, two Royal Enfield 500cc bullets, and a Thunderbird.
And a
Looks
Thunderbird.
like a lovely bike.
And how about the bikes? Were the bikes good?
They were good in the trial run, so now we're going to take them for the real run.
And what about the prices? Do you get the best deal, or what? Are you satisfied with the deals?
It was we shopped around quite a bit on this street in this area, and this was the best price that we could find. So we're happy with that, I think. Once everything works out.
Okay.
And also.
So where are you in? Are you in Karol Bagh? You are in Karol Bagh, and you are taking bikes from from MAITRI Motors.
MAITRI Motors.
Can you show the card?
We like MAITRI Motors.
And I think you should put an X at the end of Matrix and make it Matrix.
Yeah.
Rent your motorbike at MAITRI Motors in New Delhi.
And also, I got.
Are you with them?
I am, and I needed to get a few accessories, and they were amazing. So helpful.
He did do a good job.
He got me the best deals in town, the best deals in New Delhi.
Try on your gloves.
Hope you will get your trip will be very enjoyable and good. Don't you think so? Don't you think so?
I think it's going to be the best trip of my life.
I can't wait to get on the bike and go around the place. Yay!
Can you please come this side now, you guys?
Matrix Motors.
Sucker.
How do I? आपका रखो. हाँ.
Hold on, we take one more.
She get him forward on the thing.
Alright.
You want WhatsApp?
He's got it.